Welcome to Koblenz, Germany. In this video, we will take you on a virtual tour of the stunning Stolzenfels Castle, also known as Schloss Stolzenfels. Stolzenfels Castle is a picturesque castle located in Koblenz, Germany. It is situated on the left bank of the Rhine River, overlooking the river and the city. The castle was originally constructed in the 13th century but was destroyed during the 30 Years' War. In the 19th century, it was restored in a neo-Gothic style by the Prussian Crown Prince Frederick William. The castle features a blend of medieval and romantic architecture, with its impressive turrets, towers, and ornate decorations. The interiors of the castle are equally fascinating, showcasing a mix of historical artifacts and lavish furnishings. Stolzenfels Castle is surrounded by beautiful gardens and offers stunning views of the Rhine Valley. It is a popular tourist attraction and can be visited to explore its rich history and enjoy the scenic surroundings. Tourists often like Stolzenfels Castle for several reasons. Stolzenfels Castle, located near Koblenz, Germany, is a remarkable example of Gothic revival architecture. It was originally built in the 13th century and later restored in the 19th century. The castle showcases a blend of medieval and romantic architectural styles, captivating visitors with its rich history and cultural heritage. The castle's interior is meticulously decorated with ornate furnishings, intricate tapestries, and elaborate frescoes. Visitors can explore various rooms, including the castle chapel, banquet hall, and living quarters, which recreate the lavish lifestyle of the castle's former inhabitants. Stolzenfels Castle is also surrounded by well-maintained gardens featuring lush greenery, beautiful flower beds, and serene paths, offering a tranquil environment for visitors to relax and enjoy. Castle hosts various cultural events, concerts, and exhibitions throughout the year. These events showcase local traditions, music, and art, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the region's cultural heritage and experience a vibrant atmosphere. Castle is easily accessible by public transportation, making it convenient for tourists to visit. The castle offers guided tours in multiple languages, providing detailed insights into its history and architecture. Additionally, visitor facilities like a cafe and gift shops are available on site, enhancing the overall visitor experience. Overall, Stolzenfels Castle attracts tourists for its historical significance, stunning location, breathtaking views, well-preserved interiors, events, and easy accessibility, making it a popular attraction for visitors of all ages and interests. Stolzenfels Castle has a rich history that dates back to the 13th century. Here is a brief overview of its history. Castle was originally built in the 13th century as a fortification by the Archbishop of Trier in order to secure the important trade route along the Rhine River in the 14th century. The castle was partially destroyed during a siege. It remained in ruins until the 19th century. In the early 19th century, King Frederick William IV of Prussia became interested in the castle and its ruins. He decided to rebuild it as a romantic summer residence and a symbol of Prussian power. The reconstruction of Stolzenfels Castle began in 1836 under the direction of the architect Karl Friedrich Schinkel, who aimed to blend Gothic and Renaissance architectural elements. It is situated on a hilltop overlooking the scenic Rhine River. The picturesque landscape surrounding the castle with its vineyards, forests, and the river itself adds to the charm and allure of the site. It provides breathtaking panoramic views, making it a favorite spot for photography enthusiasts. Today, Stolzenfels Castle is a popular tourist attraction and serves as a museum showcasing the history and architectural heritage of the region. Its beautiful location on the Rhine River makes it a picturesque destination for visitors. Thank you for taking the time to view my video. I kindly request that you consider supporting my content by leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.